So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to integrate BigQuery data and Google Workspace using apps script. It's a challenging lab. So let me log into our credentials. Let's start the lab. So copy your password. And open it in Igniter mode. So click on next and paste your password here. Click on next. Click on I understand. So sometimes it might come, it might not come. So come back to your lab and click on task number 1. So click on the script.google.com. Open it in Igniter mode. So before loading, please like, share and subscribe for more updates guys. So click on new project. So click on the services option plus icon here. Click on BigQuery API and click on add. So you can see that the BigQuery will be added here at your left side. So come back to your lab and copy this code and come back here and click on Control Alt Control V, and at the left side you can see 3 dots here, code.js. So click on these 3 dots, click on rename and come back to your lab and copy this bqsheets.js file name, copy this and paste it here. Click on enter and click on this save the project. Click on run. So this project has been saved. Now click on review permissions. So just choose as a student ID, email ID, which is current one. So click on allow. So now the program will be executed. So after coming this, come back to task number 2 and click on Google Sheets homepage in Igniter mode. Click on blank spreadsheet. At the top, beside the format, there is a data option. Click on data. Below that, data connectors. On data connectors, click on connect to BigQuery. So click on quick GCP lab, which is your project ID which you have been logged in. So which is there is a many options here. 01 DFC. So this is one. Just click and click on public datasets and click on your taxi and see a Chicago taxi trips. Click on taxi trips. Click on connect. Here also given the same Chicago taxi trip. Click on taxi trips. Now click on get started. So at the starting, click on this function and click on under this function, click count unique. Click on create new sheet. So come back to your lab and there is a link in the description. So copy the formula and come back to your lab and paste it here. Click on enter and click on apply to. Come back and copy the another formula and paste it here. Click on apply. So come back and copy the third formula, paste it here. Click on apply. So wait for some time, it may get executed. So come back to your lab and now click on this taxi trips. Click on chart. Click on new sheet, create. Click on the column chart. Click on pie. Label payment type, and value fair. Click on fair and just apply it. So you can see the pie chart has been displayed here. So come back to your lab. Come back to your taxi trips spreadsheet. Click on once again the chart. Click on new sheet. Click on column chart and click on line chart. On x-axis, click on trip start timestamp and click on this checkbox group by and series as fair. Click on this. Under this series there is a filter option. Click on this add filter. Click on payment type. Now under this payment show all items. Click on this none. Click on text contents Add the value as mobile, mobile, mobile. Click on OK. Click on apply. So you can see the line chart has been displayed. So come back to your lab, open your Google Sheets in igniter mode and copy the address. Click on this blank sheet and paste it here. So this is this much only. So come back, let me check our progress of task number 1. So task number 1 is completed. Let's move to task number 2. Task number 2 is completed. Task number 3 also completed. Task number 4 also completed. So please like, share and subscribe for more updates, guys.